Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to share my in-depth review of the HAYLOU Watch S6, a waterproof smartwatch from the brand HAYLOU that is quite reasonably priced. The pricing on AliExpress on the official HAYLOU store was only $14 at the time this video was recorded. I strongly advise viewing this video through to the finish before thinking about placing an order. Every new iteration of low-cost Chinese smartwatches makes them more useful and engaging to use, which is incredible. The silicone strap of the watch is smooth, cozy, and kind to the skin. Any wrist size can be accommodated by its ample holes, and it is simple to remove and swap out for a different color or material if preferred. There are unique sensors and a magnetic charging contact on the back of the watch casing. The watch's front features a 2-inch rectangular screen with 240 by 296 pixel resolution and full touch coverage. A single button on the right side of the case can be used to turn on the screen, go back to the main desktop, and open the expanded menu with settings and sports modes. With its integrated speaker and microphone, the HAYLOU S6 distinguishes itself from other low-cost timepieces by enabling you to answer calls and get notifications right from the watch. Although the 270 mAh battery isn't very large, it keeps the watch thin and light. The battery lasts roughly 3 to 4 days on a single charge, despite the manufacturer's claim of a week. It takes about half an hour to charge from 0% to 100%. This watch's IP68 waterproof classification, which makes it safe to wear when diving, swimming, or taking a shower, is one of its best qualities. It weighs only approximately 25 grams, making it extremely light. Using the QR code in the handbook, you may download the companion app and pair the watch with your smartphone via Bluetooth 5.3. Steps, calories burnt, and heart rate data are shown on the app's main screen. Through the app, you can also update the watch's software, set alarms, and activate wrist turn screen activation. The touchscreen, which supports touches and swipes, provides complete control over the watch after it has been upgraded. Blood oxygen level and heart rate are tracked by the sensors on the watch's back. For more precise tracking of your workouts, you can choose from a variety of sports modes. Another useful feature of the watch is the ability to control music on your smartphone, which is very useful when using headphones. You can use the watch as a Bluetooth speaker to play music directly, or you may switch between the speakers on your phone and your watch. By syncing contacts from your smartphone with the phone book feature, you can make calls straight from your watch without pulling out your phone. Additionally, you can manually dial numbers. All things considered, the HAYLOU S6 has features comparable to those of other low-cost smartwatches, but its $14 price tag is rather remarkable. It functions efficiently and consistently when in use, but it falls short of more expensive gadgets like the Apple Watch. But considering the cost, it's a great deal. That concludes my analysis of the HAYLOU Watch S6. I sincerely appreciate your support in the form of likes, comments, and channel subscriptions. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the future video. Have a nice day and God bless you.